Welcome to Beyond Reality, where we talk about clinician journey and breakthroughs in virtual reality rehabilitation. I'm Brianna Hodge, the lead marketing specialist at Neuro Rehab VR, and today we're diving into an exciting topic that's making waves in the world of rehabilitation, vestibular rehabilitation and the promising role of virtual reality in this field. Joining me is Ivy Turner, a clinician here at Neuro Rehab VR.
Thanks, Brianna. I'm thrilled to be here and to discuss this innovative approach to therapy.
Let's start by understanding what vestibular rehabilitation is. Can you give us an overview, Ivy?
Of course. Vestibular rehabilitation is a specialized form of therapy designed to alleviate symptoms associated with vestibular disorders. These disorders often impact the inner ear or brain, leading to symptoms like dizziness, vertigo, and imbalance. The vestibular system is crucial for our balance and spatial orientation, so any disruption can significantly affect daily life.
That sounds like it can be really challenging. What do you think are the key components of vestibular rehabilitation?
So vestibular rehabilitation typically includes exercises and activities tailored to each patient's needs. The primary goals are to improve balance, reduce dizziness, enhance gaze stability, and increase overall mobility. Key components include gaze stabilization exercises, balance training, habituation exercises, and functional activities.
It's fascinating how targeted these exercises are. Now let's talk about the emergence of virtual reality in vestibular rehabilitation. How is VR being used in this field?
Great question, Brianna. So virtual reality has become a game changer in vestibular rehabilitation. VR provides a controlled, immersive environment that can simulate various scenarios and movements, making it an effective tool for engaging patients in therapy.
Thank you, Ivy. On to the next question. What do you think are the benefits of using VR in vestibular rehabilitation?
There are several benefits, such as controlled environment, immersive experience, feedback and monitoring, and lastly, VR can gradually increase the complexity and intensity of exercises, offering a personalized approach to patients.
It sounds like VR can really enhance the therapy experience. Are there any studies supporting the effectiveness of VR in vestibular rehabilitation?
Yes, there are actually several important studies. The Journal of Neuroengineering and Rehabilitation found that VR-based exercises significantly improve balance and reduce dizziness in patients with vestibular disorders. Another study in Frontiers in Neurology reported that VR-based vestibular rehabilitation was as effective as conventional therapy, with added benefits of increased patient engagement and satisfaction. And lastly, a systematic review in the Journal of Vestibular Research concluded that VR shows promise in improving balance, reducing vertigo symptoms, and enhancing overall quality of life for patients with vestibular disorders.
That's impressive. It seems like VR could become a standard part of vestibular rehabilitation in the future.
I believe so. As research continues to support its benefits, VR is likely to become an integral part of vestibular rehabilitation, offering innovative and effective therapeutic approaches.
Thank you, Ivy, for sharing your insights on this exciting development in neuro rehab. For our listeners, we hope you found this discussion as fascinating as we did. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to reach out to us.
Thanks for having me, Brianna. It was great to discuss the future of vestibular rehabilitation with you.
Thank you, listeners, for tuning in. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the latest in rehabilitation technology.